Dear friends, welcome to Know Thyself YouTube channel. Good morning. Hope you're all staying safe and keeping well. I sincerely thank all of you who have subscribed to this channel and follow the channel. If you find the contents of the videos uploaded in this channel useful, kindly subscribe to this channel and click the notification or the bell button so that you can be notified when a video is uploaded. Kindly share the videos with others or in the internet. In today's episode of A Message to Manage Your Day, I would like to share some thoughts on the theme being realistic and balanced. Viktor E. Frankl, who lived from 1905 to 1997, was an Austrian neurologist and a psychiatrist. He founded logotherapy, which attempted to bring healing in people by helping them to understand the meaning of events that happen in their life. Logotherapy is part of the existential and humanistic psychology and is often considered the third Viennese school of psychotherapy after Sigmund Freud and Alfred Adler. Viktor Frankl has authored over 39 books, and his best selling work, Man's Search for Meaning, is based on his own experiences in different Nazi concentration camps. Viktor Frankl believed that finding meaning in life, particularly confronted with trying and demanding situations, calls for cultivating the attitude of being realistic about our life, what happens in our life, our expectations from others, and what we can do for others. Though ideals are important to show us where we need to go, it is only a realistic perspective of life can help us to live through and survive the hard realities of human existence. Speaking of the people of his generation, he says, our generation is realistic, for we have come to know man as he really is. After all, man is that being who invented the gas chambers of Auschwitz. However, he is also that being who entered those gas chambers upright with the Lord's Prayer or the Shema Israel on his lips, meaning that only a realistic perspective of his life in the concentration camp has ultimately made him a survivor of the Holocaust. Being realistic implies looking at life's events from a pragmatic and practical point of view instead of getting lost in idealism. A realistic person does not ignore or set aside his life's ideals, as he knows that as a human being, he needs ideals to guide his life's choices and actions. However, he also knows that what helps him to live through trying and difficult situations is a pragmatic and practical approach to finding solution to his problems. By setting realistic goals, by evaluating and re-evaluating periodically, and by being consistent. Being realistic also implies being humble. A realistic person is not only pragmatic and practical, but is also humble because he is not presumptuous in setting goals, assessing his ability to execute his plans, and achieving success. Though he may have great ideas and plans, if he is presumptuous about any aspect of the project in question, he won't be able to achieve his desired goal. Hence, a realistic person, while pushing forward to reach his ideal, does not pretend to reach where he can never arrive at, as he knows and acknowledges his limits, the limits his situation places on him, and the limitation of time and resources. For his ability, strength, and resources place limitations on to what extent he can achieve success. For this reason, one must realize that to achieve happiness, success, and satisfaction in life, and to live a stress free life, he must take a realistic and balanced perspective of the project in question and work towards achieving the best possible outcome, taking into consideration the limitations his situation places on him. Mary Lou Henna says, being in control of your life and having realistic expectations about your day to day challenges are the keys to stress management, which is perhaps the most important ingredient to living a happy, healthy, and rewarding life. Therefore, a pragmatic, practical, balanced, and realistic approach would help us to find meaning and purpose in life, to achieve success in projects we are working on, and in coping with challenges of everyday life, thereby guarantee the overall good of all involved in that life situation. Am I practical and pragmatic in my approach to facing life's situations? Am I humble to recognize my limits and the limits my situation places on me? Am I presumptuous or skeptical instead of being realistic about myself and my situation? Do I believe that a realistic and balanced outlook can make my life stress free and happy? Do I think that a balanced and realistic approach to life would guarantee meaning and purpose in life, achieve success, and help me to cope with the challenges of everyday life? Dear friends, Walt Disney says, I always like to look on the optimistic side of life, but I am realistic enough to know that life is a complex matter. As you begin this day, while looking at your life optimistically and aiming high to achieve great things in your life, remember to take an approach that is realistic and balanced, knowing well your limits and the limits your situation places on you. This in turn would help you move forward positively in life with a sense of caution and thoughtfulness. May the divine, the ultimate guarantee of every success in your life, help you to be pragmatic, practical, balanced, and realistic in all your plans today. Thereby, you not only achieve success in your life, but also you become the source of joy and happiness in the life of all in your circle of life. This is my wish and prayer for you, dear friends. Thank you for watching this video. Stay blessed until we see you again with another video.